Hi, I'm Mia Beauzieux.
And I'm Jayden Walker.
And this is Season 17's debut episode.
JMU and HHS are collaborating on a new program called the Teen Outreach. Here's Degracia telling you what you need to know about how to get involved with this free after-school program.
Today, JMU has decided to work with Harrisonburg High School on starting a new program called the Teen Outreach Program, so I decided to ask some people about what we can expect from this program.
So JMU had reached out to us about having students from Harrisonburg High School participate in this program. I believe that they've been providing this program to Harrisonburg High School for the past few years. And so they like to give opportunities to students to learn more about the community, provide that volunteer work, and kind of learn about more of that social and emotional strategies.
So this program is really focused on positive youth development, and we've saw that there's a need specifically for youth and adolescents, typically in high school, that really need mentorship and need positive youth development in their lives. So that's why we've implemented the Teen Outreach Program in Harrisonburg.
I think it'll give the students an opportunity to use their skills out into the community in helping with community service projects, and also I think be able to connect with teachers on kind of what goes on outside of the school as well.
We'll do a great job at building the community around the school, also giving students a voice and being able to stick up for what they believe in, also giving them a chance to really get into the communities and do community and advocacy work. And I think it'll help the teachers because it'll also give the teachers a chance to really see the work that the students are doing in the community and also want to benefit from that as well.
We hope that the program will be a massive success to the school. Until then, this is Degracia from HHS Broadcasting signing off.
They meet on Tuesdays from 3 to 4 in the library.
Even in the off-season, there are teams who put in hours of practice and conditioning. Here's Cayden Lucas on preseason baseball.
Even though it's almost October, the baseball team has already started workouts.
Well, then you can look at it. No, because this side I've lost it.
Gaji Kano is a sophomore that has started as a freshman last year.
I play shortstop. Just like being out with them, being like I'm cool with everybody there, like texting them, have like group chat with them, you know, make plans to do after school, like go practice or something, go do a little hitting session or something.
At the workouts, they work on all different types of things. The first thing they did today was work on outfield drills, then transitioned into infield drills. Sawyer is a junior that has played varsity since he was a freshman.
I started playing baseball when I was in T-ball about 12 years ago, when I was about 5 or 6. I think going to workouts gets me better as a player and also builds a better team bond for the upcoming season and helps me play better with my teammates.
And the workouts off, they hit in the batting cage. The workouts are from 3:15 to 4:45 every Monday and Wednesday. Anybody can come. All you need is a physical.
Some seniors are planning to continue their athletic careers in college. One of those people are Jayden Burgess. Sawyer Hook went to a basketball preseason practice to see how Burgess is preparing for his senior season.
After a tough season last year, the varsity Blue Streaks basketball team is back as they've already started preseason workouts and are excited for the new year.
Oh, these workouts are definitely helping us build our chemistry and build onto what we had established last year.
Definitely helping us build our skills, which is getting shots up, some ball handling, and it's really helping the team get the feel to play with each other and build a little chemistry.
As the season approaches, returning faces have big goals for the next year.
First team all district, maybe regions too. I don't want to lose a single district game.
Overall, control the things I can control, and personally limit the amount of turnovers I have when I play, and get other people involved during the games, practices, and overall just trying to make them better people while making myself better. And as a team, I'm looking forward to just the whole season, especially, with my senior year happening and really impacting the people around me and trying to make it the best.
Although coming off a tough year, the excitement is still high for the varsity basketball team.
We're excited for getting the chance just to play, but not only that, getting to play here with, my family around me at all aspects, in the stands, on the court, and then really I just consider being in Harrisonburg that's something that's really special to me and something I'm excited about doing one last time.
Thank you, Sawyer. Now let's take it to Chase and Ethan for a sports recap.
They could not quite pull it out, losing 51-21 to the Turner Ashby Knights. However, they played by far their best game of the year, scoring 21 points, including a 40-yard touchdown dash by Victor Bullard and a scoop and score from Jayden Walker to wrap up their home season.
The cheer team captured the 2022-23 Valley District title. Volleyball could not overcome TA with JV falling short, losing 2-0 with varsity also going down, losing 3-0. Coming up this week, varsity football travels to Rockbridge on Friday to take on the Wildcats.
Elsewhere in the world of sports, the JMU football team lost their second game of the year, falling to the Herd of Marshall by a score of 26-12. Another unfortunate piece of news for Dukes fans as star quarterback Todd Centeo went down with a rib injury sustained in practice on Thursday. The medical staff say that barring any setbacks, he should be good to go for the Dukes game on November 5th against the Louisville Cardinals. That game comes after a much-needed bye week this week, allowing the team to rest, recover, and prepare to get back on track after losing 2 straight games.
And last but not least, in the MLB, the World Series is set. The NL champions, the Philadelphia Phillies, will be taking on the AL champions, the Houston Astros, in the best-of-7 series, competing for the Commissioner's Trophy and the title of the World Series champions. Game 1 is set for Friday at 8 p.m. in Houston.
This has been your HHS Sports Report.
Remember that quarter 1 ends today and there is no school for students tomorrow. We will see you all back here on Monday. And with that, I'm Mia Beauzieux.
And I'm Jayden Walker.
And this was our episode 1 of our broadcast.